of today's Pool D contests. It is Assam versus IPSC live from Subroto Park football ground in Delhi. The starting lineup for Assam: Kumkum Kumari, Ruyum Dole, Oising Pegu, Aina Chopra, Sube Kalimbu, Saina Chauhan, Nisha Rai, Ronai. And we are off. Straight position lost. Back with IPSC. And we are off. Straight position lost. Back with IPSC.
Larger audience. That's when this cup really matters. Assam again on the attack. This time around, shot. Full goal for Assam to take the lead. Absolutely ballistic shot. And this is a beautiful goal. Look at this. Great movement, pressure, high press, and then this one. A shot taken with precision. Brilliantly taken. 1-0 Assam. Really good at keeping the possession this time around. They've got great space. Acres of space for the shot. Shot taken. Go, and they've doubled their lead. Error from the goalkeeper and this. And then she did the rest of the task. Not a very impressive shot. Straight to the goalkeeper, but then it had enough power to beat the goalkeeper. Great job done by Assam there. This time around, pressure from IPSC. Beautifully done. IPSC should not miss this, and they have not done their reward. First goal for IPSC in the match. Look at this. This was that incident. Jersey number 2 definitely pulling the shirt. And referee noticed it, given the penalty, and then converted it in
goal of this match. We are underway in the second half. IPSC will desperately be looking for the second goal. Comes in the delivery. Looping ball. Looks like a handball. Will that be given? No. This time around, no need for the handball. Has been converted by a second half, but no more. They've got their third goal and they've extended their lead. Look at this. Header came in. Looked like there was a handball, but then it was immediately converted. Penalty taken. No. In the box, jersey number 11, shot taken, beautiful goal. Look at this. This was the fourth goal. Twisted, turned, and took the shot, kept it on target, and converted. No chance for the goalkeeper. Beautifully done. Full-time score: Assam 4 and IPSC 1.